So what's an employee handbook and why should a company have one?
So those are great questions. An employee handbook is a compilation of a company's workplace policies and procedures. It also includes a company's stance on certain compliance initiatives, such as equal employment opportunity, anti-harassment, anti-discrimination, wage and hour compliance, immigration law, and really any legal requirement that pertains to the workplace. So it's really twofold. One, it includes the company's rules for employees, how employees should operate within the workplace, call-in procedures, if they need to take time off, etc. And also includes company compensation and benefits. And then separately on the compliance side, it includes the company's stance on those items I mentioned before, so that if a company is ever challenged, let's say in a workplace matter, or it's ever audited, that handbook can then be used in an audit or in a litigation to show the company's stance on things like equal employment opportunity, anti-harassment, wage and hour, etc. So it's very important that once a company gets to a certain level, I would say at a minimum 5 employees, and certainly once you get to at least 15 employees, you absolutely should have an employee handbook, and that it be reviewed at least once a year.
So just to summarize, it has all of the rules and expectations for a company that the company has for an employee in it. Then it also lists all of the benefits and sort of expectations that an employee should have of the company in it. And then later that's used as the standard. If there's ever a dispute, that becomes kind of the rule book or the playbook. Did I get that right?
That's exactly right, Justin. And that's why it's so important to review the handbook at least once a year, not only to see if there's been any changes in the law, which need to now be incorporated into the handbook, but also have there been any changes in the company? Has the company now spread to multiple states? Has the company, been through some painful experiences that they now want to address and avoid in the company employee handbook? So that's why I say once a year at least, work it out with an employment law attorney so that you're covered on the law, and that so the employment law attorney can best position your company, with respect to its handbook.
So update this thing at least once a year or whenever you have a major change in your company.
That's right.